Did you know that London spent over $70 million on a planned bridge for tourists, although the construction of the project never even started? From the story behind North Korea's Tower of Doom to this massive empty city to the largest abandoned skyscraper. Let's take a closer look at the 5 biggest mega projects that are never finished. Before we continue, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And let us know in the comments below if you know of similar biggest mega projects in your country. 5. Xiangyun International Project. China has arguably gone through the most rapid transformation of any country in the past 3 decades. The country has completed massive mega projects worthy of the country's rising economic growth. China has earned a reputation for turning cities into ghost towns with little to no population. One of these ghost towns is located in China's Hubei province, the Xiangyun International Project. This development is divided into 2 distinct residential and entertainment districts, and was set to feature European-style buildings connecting bridges, huge parking and shopping complexes, and even skyscrapers. But the rapid development came to a grinding halt in 2014 when the real estate company behind the project was put under investigation for corruption. The property prices nosedived as a result, and the company ended up declaring bankruptcy. The head developer aimed to invest $17 billion into the project. Close to 700 residential complexes were already sold when the construction stopped. The location for the project is very convenient with proximity to rail and subway stations. Traffic can be heard roaring across the streets just outside the district, but inside it paints a picture of a ghost town that is only inhabited by stray animals. The project was seized by local authorities in 2017, with no further development. Moving into the property became impossible and the premises have remained empty. The billions invested are at risk of being lost as the buildings inside the development continue to deteriorate. 4. London Garden Bridge. Our next unfinished mega project was planned in Europe at one of London's most iconic destinations, the Thames River. The city had planned to build a bridge that would act as a floating garden above the river. The project was first lobbied by actor Joanna Lumley, who came up with the idea of a garden bridge in the 90s. The 366-meter green bridge covered with trees and flowers at a cost of $85 million was going to connect the South Bank with the Temple area. The clad concrete structure was supposed to be open 18 hours a day and would have attracted an estimated 3 million visitors per year. It was promised that the bridge would be financed by private donors and no public funds would be needed. The costs of the bridge had risen to $260 million and $85 million were to be procured from public funds. Compared to other similar venues, this proposed bridge was way too expensive. The 325-meter Millennium Bridge, for example, was constructed at a cost of just $25 million. It would have taken at least 6 more years to arrange the money needed for the project. 3. Doha Shark Crossing. In 2010, Qatar was awarded the rights to host the 2022 FIFA World Cup under controversial circumstances. Immense pressure for a transparent inquiry resulted in the sacking and resignations of prominent FIFA officials. Despite the outcry, Qatar moved ahead with its preparations, which included numerous infrastructure projects. One of these was the Doha Bay Crossing, renamed later as the Doha Shark Crossing. The project was first unveiled in 2013 and the plans included a 12-kilometer-long crossing consisting of 3 bridges, interconnected by long underwater tunnels. The crossing was expected to host 6,000 vehicles per hour, enabling smooth and rapid traffic movement between the West Bay Area and the Hamad International Airport. The ambitious engineering project was projected to cost $12 billion, but less than 2 years after it was announced, it came to a halt. Low oil prices and an overburdened construction sector were cited as major reasons behind the delay. A rapidly increasing population meant there was an increased demand for residential developments, causing a shortage of skilled labor. In view of the economic strain and a stretched labor market, the government postponed all non-essential mega projects, one of which was the Shark Crossing. After a delay of 4 years, the project was revisited in December 2019. When Qatar's Public Works Authority invited local contractors to brief them on the plans to restart the project. so there is hope that this project will restart in 2021. However, even if the construction starts, it will take at least 4 years to complete the Doha Shark Crossing. 2. Rugong Hotel. Next on the list we have a mega project from North Korea. Only state-guided tours of the state are allowed, and it remains impossible for journalists to take a trip there. Despite all of that, there was once a time when North Korea wanted to accommodate thousands of foreign visitors in a 105-story pyramid-shaped hotel that would be the tallest hotel of its time. The project was conceived as a result of North Korea's direct rivalry with South Korea, which was just transitioning into a capitalist democracy as opposed to the communist regime in the north. A South Korean firm had just built the tallest hotel in the world in Singapore, and North Korea wanted to take that achievement away. Single quote. So in 1987, construction started on the Rugong Hotel with financial backing from Russia. Standing at 330 meters, the building would consist of 3 wings, each forming a cone towards the top. December of 1991 marked the end of the Soviet Union, and the money behind the project dried up. Construction was halted in 1992, and there was no progress for the next 16 years. Further engineering issues halted the renewed construction efforts, and the building was deserted yet again. The building is now lit constantly with Korean history and other messages from the government displayed on it. However, projections suggest that it will cost $2 billion to complete the hotel, which is 5% of North Korea's total GDP. So despite the stops and starts, it seems very difficult that this concrete mountain will ever be finished. 1. Golden Finance 117. The construction on the Golden Finance 117 started in 2008, with the view that it will surpass the Shanghai Tower to become the second tallest building in the world, after Dubai's Burj Khalifa. The tower's basement was completed by 2012, and it topped out at 597 meters in September 2015. The construction was suspended, and there were attempts to restart construction in 2018. But those efforts stalled soon, and no one has taken over the project since then. As far as the resumption of the project is concerned, an April 2020 order from Beijing might have been the final nail in the coffin for the Golden Finance 117. The government banned skyscrapers over 500 meters, and it seems like this massive building will never be finished. What do you think about these projects? Do you know similar projects that were never finished? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification before you go. Thank you for watching.